Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you that um, ChatGPT could make you a cover letter. Now, I already did it already, but the video was somehow muted, and I still have the conversation here. So what I typed in is can you create me a cover letter with the name AquaTechFantasy and make it modern? So what it did was it made me a cover letter here. So you can copy and paste this to your Word or your notepads or anything like that. Um, and then after that, I asked, "Can you make it a PDF file?" And then it made me a PDF file of it, um, and it opened up yesterday. So that's all you have to do is just ask it to make you a cover letter, and you can actually attach your resume right here under Photos and Files, and then attach photo and files, and go to that resume and attach it here, and say, "Yo, make me a cover letter based on that," and then it makes you a cover letter. So that's pretty fly. There's a lot more things ChatGPT can do for you. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment so you see all of them. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.